So guys, to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and now tap on the airplane bike app for some wow. And you're going to see this pop up. Now tap on application details and it's going to send you to your apps info. And this way you're going to see this. So what you have to do when you get here is to tap on the full stop. Now tap on OK. Then after that, tap on storage and cache. Now tap on the clear cache. Go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure your background data is toggled on. After doing this, go back, tap on notifications, and make sure show notification is toggled on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to check for the update of this app. So after updating this app, tap on your power button for some wow, and you're going to see power off and reboot. If you can't find reboot, then turn your phone off and turn it on again. It's the same process. So when you find reboot, just toggle it on like this, just slide it to the left, from right to left, and it's going to turn off and turn on again. Thank you very much for watching this video, and this is how to fix the problem. See you in my next video.